In this video, I will go over some key settings overview for Mixpanel project admins. I will click the cog icon. I will go to the project settings. As a project admin in Mixpanel, you can manage several important settings. So let's start. Name. Edit the project name. You can change it here. However, it is not advised to change the project name to maintain consistency in the enterprise records. Let's go down to the time zone. You can change the time zone. It is not advised to change the time zone as it will result in data timestamp being offset from your actual time zone settings. Going down to the access keys, the project token. The project token is restricted to the ex-libris team. Its use is monitored and it is prohibited for any other purposes. You can copy the API secret. The API secret is used to access Mixpanel's API. Its use is limited strictly to downloading data. Going to the session settings. Definition type. We do not recommend changing this setting here. We chose the timeout based session type as it aligns with Primo's timeout session. Also, we do not support the other two options. However, you can change the session timeout according to your needs. We set it to 15. If you want, you can change it to 10 or whatever number you choose. Exclude events. In Mixpanel, you can exclude certain events from being tracked as part of a session. This option is not recommended because we only send user-clicked events. Excluding events would result in the loss of valuable data. Going to the session properties. In Mixpanel, session events automatically have the following properties. We can see here the session duration, session event count, session end event name, and session start event name. We've added the user type. You can add additional properties to be associated with the session event. They will then be accessible for analysis in Mixpanel reports. Note that there is a limit of 4 additional properties. Going down to the time period settings, you can adjust the start of the week and the start of the quarter settings here and here. Sharing settings. Sharing settings. In Mixpanel, the default share mode for boards is set to viewer. You can change it to private to restrict access to other project members. Each board can also be individually modified from its own share model, where you can set the share mode to editor. And the last, color theme settings. Edit the color theme according to your preferences. Thank you.